The VRCO XP4 is an electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft in development by the vehicle redesign company, VRCO. It is designed to be a luxury personal transport vehicle with a capacity for 4 people. The XP4 is powered by electric motors and has the ability to take off and land vertically, as well as drive on roads. It has a cruise speed of up to 160 knots, 186 miles per hour, and a flight endurance of 60 minutes. The XP4 is also equipped with a computer-assisted flight system and an emergency parachute system. VRCO is a British company that was founded in 2015. The company is based in Nottingham, England. VRCO is developing the XP4 as a luxury personal transport vehicle. The company has said that it believes that the XP4 will appeal to wealthy individuals who are looking for a new and exciting way to travel. The VRCO XP4 is still under development, and the company has not said when it expects the aircraft to be available for purchase. However, VRCO has said that it is working with regulators to obtain the necessary certifications for the XP4 to operate commercially. The Sea Breacher is a cool, 2-seater personal watercraft that combines the thrill of a jet ski with the underwater exploration capabilities of a mini-submarine. It has a unique, dolphin-inspired design that allows it to perform incredible maneuvers on the water's surface, like breaching out of the water and performing full 360-degree spins. But the fun doesn't stop there. The Sea Breacher can also submerge underwater, offering riders a glimpse of the underwater world. Here are some of the key features of the Sea Breacher. Semi-submersible design. The Sea Breacher can dive down to depths of around 6 feet, 1.8 meters, allowing riders to get a closer look at the marine life below. High-powered engine. The Sea Breacher is powered by a 260 horsepower engine that can propel it to speeds of up to 54 miles per hour, 87 kilometers per hour, on the surface and 24 miles per hour, 39 kilometers per hour, underwater. Acrobatic maneuvers. The Sea Breacher's unique design allows it to perform a variety of acrobatic maneuvers like barrel rolls, dolphin dives, and corkscrews. Customizable. Sea Breachers can be customized with a variety of paint schemes and interior options. If you're looking for an adrenaline-pumping way to experience the water, the Sea Breacher is definitely worth checking out. However, keep in mind that these powerful watercraft come with a hefty price tag, typically starting at around $80,000. The Deep Flight Super Falcon is a personal submarine designed by Graham Hawkes, a former civilian ocean engineer. It's unlike any submarine you've ever seen before. Nicknamed the underwater fighter jet, the Super Falcon is designed to move through the water like an airplane flies through the air. The Super Falcon features a revolutionary inverted wing design that provides lift and maneuverability. This allows the sub to glide through the water with exceptional grace and agility, offering an unparalleled underwater experience. Here are some of the key features of the Deep Flight Super Falcon. Can accommodate 2 passengers. Electric battery powered with a range of up to 4 nautical miles. Can dive up to 300 feet, 91 meters. Top speed of 6 knots, 11 kilometers per hour. The Super Falcon is not your typical submarine. It's designed to provide a thrilling and interactive underwater experience. With its transparent acrylic canopy, passengers have a 360-degree view of the underwater world. The Super Falcon is also very maneuverable, allowing passengers to zip and zag through coral reefs and kelp forests. If you're looking for a truly unique way to explore the underwater world, the Deep Flight Super Falcon is definitely worth considering. However, this exclusivity comes with a hefty price tag. While the exact pricing is not publicly available, be prepared to shell out a significant sum to own or operate a Super Falcon. The SMX-26 is a small submarine concept ship designed by French company DCNS, now Naval Group, for operations in very shallow waters and littoral zones where conventional submarines are not suitable. Unlike conventional submarines, the SMX-26 can operate in waters as shallow as 15 meters deep. This makes it ideal for coastal areas, harbors, and other areas that are too shallow for traditional submarines. The SMX-26 is also highly maneuverable, thanks to its 2 shaft lines and 4 adjustable and retractable azimuth thrusters. This allows it to navigate through tight spaces and around obstacles. The SMX-26 is also equipped with a number of features that make it ideal for Special Forces operations. These include a compartment for 6 Special Forces divers, a 20mm cannon for self-defense, a missile launch container for anti-aircraft defense, 2 heavyweight torpedoes, and 8 lightweight torpedoes. The SMX-26 was never built beyond the concept stage, but it represents an interesting idea for a future generation of shallow water submarines. The Wind Hunter project is a concept for a zero-emission ship that uses wind and hydrogen for propulsion and fuel. It's being developed by Mitsui O.S.K. Lines, MOL, as a way to reduce the impact of shipping on the environment. Here are some of the key features of the Wind Hunter project. Wind-powered sails. The ship will be equipped with multiple hard-wing sails to harness wind energy for propulsion. Hydrogen production. The ship will use underwater turbines to generate electricity from wind energy. This electricity will then be used to split water into hydrogen through electrolysis. Hydrogen storage and fuel cells. The produced hydrogen will be stored on board and used in fuel cells to generate electricity when the wind is weak. This electricity will power electric propellers to keep the ship moving. Zero emissions. By using wind and hydrogen, the Wind Hunter project aims to achieve completely zero-emission operation. The project is still in its early stages, but MOL has already completed demonstration testing with a yacht. They plan to begin construction on a larger vessel in 2024, with the goal of having a full-size cargo ship operational by 2030. Here are some resources where you can learn more about the Wind Hunter project. Mitsui O.S.K. Lines. YouTube video. There is a YouTube video you can find by searching for Wind Hunter Project Zero Emission Project with wind propulsion and hydrogen. The Onean Carver is an electric surfboard made by Onean on Aqua Electric Surfboards. It's a motorized surfboard that lets you glide across the water without needing waves. Here's some info about the Onean Carver. Speed. The Carver can reach speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour. Battery life. You can ride the Carver for about 40 minutes on a single charge. AtlanticFlyboard.com. Weight. The surfboard itself weighs around 51 kilograms, 112 pounds. Without the battery, Motosurfing.com. Construction. The Carver is a CNC-shaped sandwich construction with an EPS core, which is similar to how high-end wind surfboards are made. AtlanticFlyboard.com. This means it should be durable and reparable by a qualified shaper if needed. There are 2 models of Carver board. Carver. This is the standard model, with a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour, 25 miles per hour, and a lighter weight around 22 kilograms or 48 pounds. Motosurfing.com. Carver X. This is the more powerful model, with a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour, 28 miles per hour, and a higher weight around 51 kilograms or 112 pounds. Motosurfing.com. If you're looking for an electric surfboard for carving up the water, the Onean Carver is a good option to consider. The Jetlev-flyer is powered by a watercraft that stays on the surface of the water. A hose connects the watercraft to the backpack you wear, which has 2 nozzles and 2 control arms. By manipulating the controls, you can control the direction of the water flow, which propels you through the air. Most people can learn to fly the Jetlev-flyer within a few minutes of instruction. The key is to relax and let the machine do most of the work. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to perform all sorts of maneuvers, including flying forwards, backwards, and even spinning. If you're looking for an adrenaline-pumping adventure, the Jetlev-flyer is definitely worth checking out. Just be prepared to shell out a hefty sum for the experience. The cost of a Jetlev-flyer experience can vary depending on the location, but it typically starts around $100. The term flying ship can refer to a few different things. In fiction, flying ships are a popular trope in fantasy and science fiction. They are often depicted as large, majestic vessels that can sail the skies like ships sail the seas. Some famous examples of flying ships in fiction include the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars and the airship from Hayao Miyazaki's film Castle in the Sky. In folklore, Flying ships are also a common motif in folklore around the world. In Slavic folklore, for example, the flying ship is a magical vessel that can be used to travel to faraway lands. In reality, there are a few real-world technologies that could be considered flying ships. Airships, for example, are lighter than air vehicles that can stay aloft for long periods of time. And there are some companies that are developing ground effect vehicles that could be used to transport cargo over water. However, these vehicles are not nearly as fantastical as the flying ships of fiction and folklore. The Wokart is a unique watercraft that combines the thrill of a go-kart with the speed of a jet ski. It's designed to be agile and maneuverable, providing a fun and exciting way to experience the water. Here are some key features of the Wokart. Unique asymmetric catamaran layout. This design provides stability and allows for sharp turns at high speeds. Mid-mounted outboard engine. This innovative placement contributes to the Wokart's agility and maneuverability. Fast and responsive. The Wokart can reach speeds up to 40 miles per hour, making it a thrilling ride. Safe and versatile. The Wokart can be used in areas where jet skis are not permitted. A diver propulsion craft, DPC, is a type of underwater scooter or diver propulsion vehicle, DPV, that is specifically designed for military and special operations use. They are similar to regular DPVs, but tend to be larger, more powerful, and have additional features to support military operations. Here are some of the key features of a diver propulsion craft. High speed and range. DPCs are designed to transport divers long distances underwater at high speeds. This allows them to quickly cover large areas and reach their objectives faster. Durability. DPCs are built to withstand the harsh conditions of underwater use. They are typically made from lightweight composite materials that are resistant to corrosion and impact. Maneuverability. DPCs are designed to be maneuverable in tight spaces. This allows divers to navigate around obstacles and through complex underwater environments. Payload capacity. Some DPCs are large enough to carry multiple divers or cargo. This can be useful for transporting equipment or supplies to a dive site. Multifunctionality. Some DPCs can also be used as surface vessels. They may have inflatable bladders that allow them to float on the surface of the water.